What's up guys, welcome to the lovely channel, and as you can see, we moved places. Finally, this is our new apartment. What music are you listening to these days? My favorite is always gonna be Eminem, rap, fucking love it, but I'm literally listening to everything. There's nothing that I'm not listening to. I'm just not listening to the charts at the moment because, to be honest, I have shit. What did you do to make your scars to be almost non-existent? Basically this stuff. All I did was every morning just rub it in, every evening before I went to sleep, rub it in again. And that's all I did. I did this for about like maybe 2 months. And I mean, now they look like this. Looks pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. When did you start hormone replacement therapy? I started when I was 18. That's when I could legally start in Germany. I wish I could have started earlier, but I had to wait until I was 18. I'm 19 and I've been trying to hold it off because my parents aren't all that supportive, and being tight on money, it's hard. I've been wanting to start forever, for over a year now, but I have no clue on where to start the process. Any tips? It depends on your country where you live, because for example, when I lived in Germany, I had to find a therapy place. This is the law. If you want to transition, you have to find a therapist who's gonna help you with that and can confirm that you are really trans. Without my therapist, I wouldn't know where to start as well. So I would suggest, no matter in which country you live, Google first how it works in your country with the law and everything. Maybe go to your doctor and talk to your doctor about it, and maybe he can refer you to a place where they can actually help you. This is basically all I did. Just don't be scared to talk to someone. I have tried Minox, but still there's no progress on it, and I'm a little bit frustrated. Did you have any tips for that? Well, first of all, how long have you been trying minoxidil? For me, it took ages to see any result of it. After 6 months of trying minoxidil, I still had like no progress at all, but for everyone it takes a different time, so just keep on trying. Don't stop doing it. It took for me about maybe 8 months to see the first like chin hair growing, so it takes the longest time. Like some people are lucky, they see results after a month. For me it wasn't like this. I had to wait like literally nearly a year until I had really good facial hair growth. So don't give up and just keep on doing it. And I would say after a year, if you still have no progress at all, no hair at all, not even the tiniest bit, then it's probably unfortunately not in your genetics. Did you lift before tea? If not, how far on tea did you start your fitness journey? Well, how I started to go into my fitness journey was I was doing home workouts, body workouts like T25, Insanity, by Sean T, P90 and all of that stuff. I didn't have the gym membership. My first gym membership I got was maybe like 4 months before I started T. Yeah, it was 4 months before I started T. So yeah, I started lifting before on T, but it was hard because like I was weak as fuck and I couldn't lift much. And then as soon as I got T, oh my god, like my strength got so much more. As I've seen muscle growth, and it was just amazing. And now I'm just really enjoying it, and it's my favorite thing ever. That's it with my Q&A. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to upload the next videos and do this YouTube thing again, because since we moved I can finally do it again. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I love you all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace!